Framer 7b. Today I'm going to teach you how to calculate angles, triangles, and the interior and exterior angles of a triangle. There are three main types of angles: co-interior angles, alternate angles, and corresponding angles. For co-interior angles, they are found inside the parallel lines and when added together equal 180 degrees. Alternate angles are equal and are found on opposite sides. And corresponding angles are also equal and found in matching position, usually one below the other. An example is this question. We don't know what angle A, B, and C are, but we have angle 65, and we can use 65 to find out what B is, because they are co-interior angles, which means add them together equals 180. So 180 minus 65 equals 115. That means B will equal 115. We can also use B to find out what A is, since they're corresponding, which means they're equal. So A equals B, so A will equal 115 as well. Same with C and 65. They're corresponding. That means they're equal, so C will equal 65. Moving on to the example. We need to find out what 2x and 4x equals. Well, we can use that because we can use co-interior angles because they're co-interior. If we add them together, 2x plus 4x equals 6x. Divide 180 by 6 equals 30. So 1x equals 30. But we need to find out what 2x and 4x are. So we just times 30 by 2 equals 60. So 2x equals 60 degrees. Same thing with the 4. 30 times 4 equals 120. So 4x equals 120 degrees. Moving on to the second question. We only have the 75 angle. We don't know what angle A, B, or C is. We can use, again, co-interior angles to find out what B is. So if we do 180 minus 75 equals 105. That means B will equal 105 degrees. And we can use B to find out A, since B or A are alternate angles. And that means they're equal. So A will also equal 105 degrees. And we can use C to find out 75. So 75 will equal C because they're corresponding angles which are also equal. So C will equal 75 degrees. Moving on to triangles. There are three main types of triangles: scalene, isosceles, and equilateral triangles. For scalene triangles, there are no equal angles. For isosceles triangles, there are only two equal angles, and they are the base angles, opposite sides of each other. In equilateral triangles, everything is even. 3 even angles, 3 even sides. And if you add up all the angles in the triangle, you will reach 180 degrees. In this example, we can see that we only have two measurements, 60 and 70. We need to find out what x is, and we know that if we add them all together, it will be 180 degrees. So 60 plus 70 equals 130 degrees. 180 minus 130 equals 50. So that means x will equal 50 degrees. Moving on to the question. We have 75 and 75 and then A. We know that 75 and 75 are equal and then the base angles, so this will be an isosceles triangle. So if we add up 75 and 75, that'll equal 150. And 150 minus 180 minus 150 will equal 30. So we need to add them all together. So A will equal 30 degrees. Moving on to the next question. We have no equal sides in this triangle. We have one line, two lines, and three lines. So that means nothing is equal. That means it's a scalene triangle. And to find out what 2x and x is, we can use 24. So 180 minus 24 equals 156. And we have three x's. 2x plus x equals 3x. So we do 156 divided by 3 equals 52. So we have 1x equals 52 degrees. We need to find out what 2x's are, so we just times 52 by 2 equals 104. So 2x equals 104 degrees. To find out the exterior angle of a triangle, we just add up the opposite sides. So we'll do 75 plus x equals 110. Same thing, 110 minus 75 will equal x. 110 minus 75 equals 35. So x equals 35 degrees. Same with the next question. We have angle 75 and angle 50. We want to find out what x is, and we just add them together. 75 plus 50 equals 125. X will equal 125 degrees.